You are spending hours designing beautiful PNGs, clipart, or SVG files, and then you are uploading to Etsy or your POD shop and wondering, why aren't more people buying this? You have checked your pricing. You have worked on your CEO. Your designs look clean. But here is the one thing that could silently be ruining everything. Your backgrounds aren't actually transparent. That simple mistake, it could be costing you sales every single day. So today, I'm not just showing you how to make transparent backgrounds in Canva, both on desktop and mobile, but also why this one step is non-negotiable if you want to stand out and actually sell your digital files. Let's start with the tutorial. We will walk through it together. Then I will explain why this one thing makes all the difference. So, you are sitting at your laptop. You've got your clip art or digital sticker designed and ready to go. Now what? Step 1. Make sure you are using Canva Pro. I know that's the part nobody likes to hear, but transparent backgrounds are a pro feature. The good news is that Canva offers a 30-day free trial. So even if you are just batch creating this month, you can still get this done. Got that set? Here is what to do. Open your design in Canva. If you have a design with a background, then click on the design. Then click on the background remover in the toolbar above and wait until Canva remove it. Then go to the upper right corner and click share. Then hit download. Choose PNG as your file type. And right underneath, you will see a little checkbox that says transparent background. Click it. And yes, you will see that little crown icon. That's a pro-only feature I mentioned. Now hit download. That's it. Done. You now have a perfect, clean, transparent PNG that your customers can drop over anything. T-shirts, mugs, Instagram stories, digital planners, whatever they want. No annoying white boxes, no clunky cutouts. But what if you are designing on your phone? Let's say you are creating on Canva's mobile app. This is where it can get a little confusing, but I will guide you through it. First, open your design in the Canva mobile app. If your design has a background, click on it. Then click on the background remover in the toolbar below. Tap on the tool and let Canva remove the background from the image. Now tap on the download icon in the top right corner. Then choose the download option and then choose PNG as your file type. Right below that, you will see the option for transparent background. Again, this is only available for pro users. Make sure that box is checked, then hit download. That's it. Now, your design is saved to your device with a transparent background. You won't see it on your phone photo viewer. It will show up on the white or black background depending on your phone. But drop it into any other design app, Procreate, Photoshop, Cricut Design Space, and it's clean and ready to go. So, now you know the steps, but here is the thing. The real importance isn't in the how, it's in the why. And here is where I get personal. I used to think it didn't matter. I thought it's just a white background. It's fine. People can crop it. They will figure it out. But then I started getting questions like this from customer. Why is there a white box around the PNG? I tried it on a planner page, but it looks weird. And the worst one, I can't use it. I need something with a transparent background. That's when it hit me. Buyers don't want to fix your product. They don't want to open Photoshop and start erasing. They want to drag and drop your design into their project and have it just work. And if it doesn't, they leave, they refund, or worse, they never buy in the first place. If you are selling on Etsy or Creative Market, this tiny error makes you look like a beginner. But when you export with transparency, it feels polished, professional, like you are actually thought about how your customers will use your design. Let me ask you something. Would you buy a sticker that comes with a giant white square around it? Would you trust a clip art set that doesn't blend smoothly into your planner layout? Exactly. People want ease. They want clean. And that's what transparency gives you. Let me show you where it really matters. If you are selling any of these, printable stickers for GoodNotes or iPad planners, sublimation graphics for t-shirts or mugs, SVG or PNG files for Cricut or Silhouette users, digital scrapping book assets, wall art mockups, or brand logos or social media templates, then transparency isn't optional, it's critical. Because these buyers aren't looking to edit your files, they are looking to use them. And if you want repeat buyers, if you want someone to grab your entire bundle instead of just one file, then your graphics need to work out of the box. No tutorials, no cleanup, no regrets. Here is what happens when you don't do this right. A buyer downloads your PNG, then open it in their design software, then try to layer it. And there it is, the white box. Now what? Some buyers get frustrated and leave a bad review. Some message you asking to refund. Others don't say anything. They just never come back. This is one of these small details that has massive impact in your shop reputation. You can have the best art in the world, but if your file isn't usable, it won't sell. Look, Canva makes it easy. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need a design degree. You just need to check one box. But you would be surprised how many sellers don't know this or how many forget to do it. Every time you export a PNG, ask yourself, is the background actually transparent? Not white, not gray. Transparent. And test it. Open it in a blank Canva doc or drop it over a colored background. If you see a box, redo it. Do this one and your files will look clean, layered, professional, exactly what buyers want. If you are serious about selling digital products, your file prep matters just as much as your artwork. People are judging the usability of your files, not just how pretty they look in the thumbnail. Want to grow your shop? Then start here. Transparent PNGs, clean layers, and easy to use formats. Do that consistently and your reviews will go up, your refund will go down, and more importantly, you will build trust. People will know when they buy from you, it just works. You don't need to overcomplicate this. Just remember, Canva Pro, PNG, transparent background checked. It is one checkbox, but it could be a difference between getting ignored and getting repeat customers. If you learned something today, or if this was the fix you didn't know you need, hit that like button. Subscribe for more design tutorials. I've got a lot more to share with you that will actually make difference in your shop. And if you are still on the fence about Canva Pro, use the free trial. Batch your exports, get clean, transparent files out there now. Let's make your designs not just beautiful, but functional. See you in the next video.